Welcome to KiwiWrite Math using the CrossOff key. Hello, this tutorial will show you how to use the CrossOff key to solve math problems that involve borrowing and carrying digits. This happens in certain addition, subtraction, and multiplication problems. Let's just try out the CrossOff key before doing a math problem. The CrossOff key only works when the cursor is positioned on top of another symbol. First, click on the screen in the middle to create a new math problem. Then click the following numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Next, click on the number 2 that you already typed. The cursor will move there. Now click the CrossOff key, which is the letter N with a slash through it. A slash will then be drawn over the number 2. Next, click on the number 4. Then press and hold down your mouse on the CrossOff key for 1 second. This will bring up the alternate key pop-up. Click on the second symbol N in the pop-up. It has a slash through the N and a little yellow box in the upper left corner. This is the CrossOff symbol you'll use when you need to borrow during a subtraction problem. Click on the CrossOff symbol. You will see a slash on top of the 4 and a small yellow box next to it. Type the number 1. And then type the number 3. The number 13 will show up in that yellow box in the upper left corner of the box where the crossed off 4 is. What happens if you only put one digit number in the yellow box? Let's find out. First, click on the number 6 to move the cursor. Now, click on the same CrossOff symbol as last time. Then, click the number 5. If we type another number now, KiwiWrite will think it should go in the yellow box with the 5. KiwiWrite is just a computer app, so sometimes it needs to be told what to do more specifically, since it's not as smart as you are. So you have to tell KiwiWrite that you are done with the CrossOff after just one digit. So click on any other box in the problem. We will click on the empty box to the right of the 6. When doing math problems that need this type of CrossOff, you would normally need to move the cursor to that spot anyway. The third CrossOff symbol works the same way as the last one, except there is no slash over the number. This is useful when you're carrying without borrowing. Let's try it. Click on the box to the right of the 6 and type a 7. Then go to the CrossOff key and do a long click to bring up the pop-up. Click on the third last symbol. Now, click on the number 2 and add it to the carry box. Last, click in the empty box to the right of the 7 to end the carry action. Let's do a math example now. Remember, you can click undo at any time if you make a mistake. First, click the new problem icon. Next, click 2. And then click 4. Next, click the new line key. Now click the minus key. Then click 5. And finally, click the line segment key. To do this subtraction problem, we need to borrow from the 2 and carry to the 4. First, click on the 2. Next, long click on the CrossOff key to show the pop-up. Then click on the second symbol, the one in the middle of the three symbols. Click the number 1. The 1 will show up in the yellow box in the upper left corner of the box where the crossed off 2 is. Next, click on the 4. The cross-off key you need should still be on the keyboard display, so just click on it again. Then click 1, and then click 4. Next, click the grid square below the 5, or use the arrow keys to move the cursor there. Once the cursor is underneath the 5, click 9. Then click on the grid square to the left of 9 and click 1. Congratulations! You just successfully completed a subtraction problem where you borrowed from one number and then carried a 1 to the box on the right of that number, which created the number 14 in the upper left corner of the box where the 4 originally was. Great job! There is